Okay, I'm sharing a flop with you. As you can tell, it looks a little funny here. I forgot to put salt in when I was making this yesterday, and I didn't realize it until this morning when I took it out, or had to peel it out of the towel I put it in to sit overnight in the fridge. But wanted to show you this because not every loaf is gonna be perfect, and that's okay. Like, yeah, it's kind of missing some flavor because salt gives it a lot of flavor, but also that's how you can get it structure. It stops the whole process from being so quick with the fermentation and that. And I just wanted to show, like, it didn't turn out too bad for not having any structure because I couldn't shape it. It was so wet. And it, attached, but it's fine. Taste wise, throw a little salt on when you eat it and you're probably fine. I mean, I just tried it, it was. But I also am going to just dry it out and use it for stuffing. So just because this is a flop, no big deal. It was still edible, still good. Don't be afraid of sourdough or bread making in general. Yeast is a little different, but sourdough, it's more forgiving. Anyways, just wanted to share that with y'all.